Hi, Mom and Sir. My name is Shirley Amancio. I'm 29 years old. I have two kids and I'm happily married. My kids' age is 2 years old and 12 years old. I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years. My duties and responsibilities is cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the car, wash the clothes, and prepare the kids food before go to school, send the kids to the school. To my future employer, I promise that you can trust me. I'm a honest woman. I'm a jolly. I love kids. And also, I'm a good listener to my employer. I did not argue to my employer also. To my future employer, I hope you can choose me as a part of your family. Thank you and God bless.